how to set the mail muted thread action to mark as read or archive or delete on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon, then swipe up to go down, and in here tap on mail. Next, go down and tap on muted thread action. In here you can select either mark as read, which is the default settings, or you can select archive or delete, and that's it. So select one of the two options here, and finally you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.